this video, we're going to have a look at how we can create discussion with our students using the Vevox polling feature. What this allows us to do is break down barriers and break the ice, allow the students to see the opinions in the room. Once they can see what their peers are thinking, they feel more comfortable to then discuss it further. So let's take a look at how we do this in practice. So I've already created my Vevox session and I've already created my polls here. This poll 3 here is the poll that I'm going to be using to provoke some further discussion. Once it comes to my lecture, I'm going to pop this into present view and I'm ready to run my poll. My students will join the session through the details on the left, and at the time that I want to inject the discussion, I can press the open poll button. So should sugary drinks be taxed? So yes or no. So I can allow my students to respond, and once they have responded, I can press the close poll button and have a look at the results. So in this case, all of my students here think that sugary drinks should be taxed. So now the students know what the thinking is in the room. They feel much more comfortable to be able to discuss this further. They can either do this through the Vevox Q&A or through verbal forms, either in the class or online. This increases the participation. So now that we've broken down those barriers, they're much happier to participate. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.